Hello friends, I'm your host Jitendra Singh Sandhu. In today's Chemistry Notes Info podcast, we are going to learn some interesting facts about lithium element. As we all know, lithium is a fascinating element with a wide range of interesting properties and applications. It belongs to S block elements of periodic table. Let's start learning some interesting facts about lithium element. Lithium is the lightest metal and lightest solid element on the periodic table. Lithium metal is so light that it can even float on water. Despite its lightness, lithium is relatively rare in nature. It's typically found in small quantities in various minerals and in salt flats like the Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, which contains a significant portion of the world's lithium reserves. Lithium is highly reactive. It readily reacts with water, producing hydrogen gas and heat. This reaction is used in lithium batteries. Lithium salts such as lithium carbonate, Li2CO3, are used to treat bipolar disorder and depression. It can help in stabilizing the mood and reducing the severity of manic episodes. Lithium is considered a potential fuel for nuclear fusion, the process that powers the sun. Lithium metal is used to create tritium, a radioactive isotope which can fuel fusion reactions. Lithium-ion batteries have revolutionized portable electronics and are widely used in smartphones, iPhones, iPads, laptops, electric cars, and many electric vehicles. Lithium-ion batteries are known for their high energy density and rechargeability. Lithium-based greases and lubricants are commonly used in machinery and automotive applications due to their high melting points and stability. Lithium has excellent thermal conductivity, making it useful in various applications where heat dissipation is very important, such as in nuclear reactors and aerospace components. Some minerals, springs, and water with high lithium concentrations have been associated with a sense of well-being and relaxation. This has led to the belief that lithium-rich waters may have a calming effect. Lithium is used in the construction of spacecraft and satellites. It has the advantage of being lightweight and having excellent resistance to extreme temperature changes. Dear friends, you can visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to learn more about lithium and many other elements of periodic table. You can also get physical and chemical properties of lithium and other elements. Dear friends, you can also get infographics on all elements of periodic table from our website free of cost. So friends, do visit our website at www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Thank you to listening this podcast. If you find this podcast interesting, then please share this podcast with your friends. Thank you to listening this podcast. See you soon in next upcoming podcast.